Good morning and happy Wednesday. You are halfway through this week already. So let's see what today has to bring. How have you been seeing be seen so far in May? Think about what your goal is, and think about how you can work towards that goal specifically today. All right, for math, we are going to be doing some analyzing of picture graphs. So yesterday you worked on looking at a survey and then filling out a picture graph. Today you're going to analyze them, so you're going to answer questions for them. Okay, so your main idea, I will draw conclusions and answer questions based on picture graphs, okay? So up on the top, favorite vegetable. Let's take a look at the key first because that's going to tell us how much each vegetable is worth. Key, each vegetable equals 1 vote. So every pea is worth 1. So what I like to do first is I like to just look at my graph. I look at my title, favorite vegetable, I look at my categories, peas, corn, broccoli, and red peppers, and I just quick go through and I say, okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 peas, 5 corn, 3 broccoli, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red peppers. Okay, so just so I'm aware of what's happening. Then you're going to go down to the bottom and you have 6 different questions you're going to answer. How many kinds of vegetables are there? How many people chose peas or red peppers? That means peas and red peppers. Okay, don't get confused by that. But they're asking, so out of all those people, which ones chose peas or red peppers? How many more people chose corn than broccoli? So you're going to be doing adding or subtracting. That's something that you're going to have to decide. It's helpful sometimes to write out those number sentences. Make sure it makes sense in the end. How many more people chose corn than broccoli? Which vegetable has the least votes? How many people were surveyed in all? How will the graph change if you add another choice? Okay. Then you're going to do who could use this information. Think about who should know about their favorite vegetables. Then you're going to do the same thing on the back. Instruments we play. Again, pay attention. Key, each picture equals 2 children. Oh, that's important. You're going to answer questions 8, 9, 10, 11. And then number 12, when it says exercise 8, it means question 8, okay? So exercise 8, Jamal wrote 3 for his answer. Tell why Jamal is wrong, make it right, okay? So you're going to work on that. All right, going back. Science, again, you're going to observe. You're going to put on your science glasses and you're going to do your best observations and best sketches in your science notebook. Label, tell me what's happening with it. Tell me what's going on. Today's social studies again, complete 2 more pages in your maps book or a Scholastic News Weekly Reader. Reading, so read Treasure's book, pages 374 and 375, and then you have 2 worksheets to do today. The first one has to do with dictionaries and encyclopedias. So at your house, you might not have a dictionary or encyclopedia. A lot of times we end up using our phones or computers or tablets for so much, but there are real dictionaries, encyclopedias that we have in our classroom at the library that we would have physically used. So check with your parents. See once if you have a dictionary or encyclopedia just a page through to see what it's all about. You're going to learn about what those different things are, those 2 objects, tools that we use, and answer some questions about them. Then you have some words, 8 words to use in 8 sentences, okay? So do your best, make sure they make sense. Today you're going to use your syllaboards again to build your words. You're doing a lot of syllaboards right now. Spelling, practice challenging spelling words. And Bible today, practice your memory verse. And then you're going to read Acts 16 verses 6 through 40. You're going to have 2 stories. Paul's vision of the man in Macedonia and Paul and Silas in jail. So you're going to have 2 stories. I'm going to show you the map for today. Okay, now, for today, you are going to start where you left off yesterday, okay? So we left off yesterday in Derby, right? So we're going to go now from Derby to Lystra, or did we start in Lystra, or did we stop in Lystra? I'm not sure. I don't have the plans right in front of me, but I know we either stopped in Derby or Lystra, one of the 2. Then you're going to go to Iconium and over to Antioch Pisidia, okay? So again, some of those same places that Paul has been before, but he goes back to them. All right, from there, continue your line. This is his second missionary journey. He does do a third, which you're more than welcome to learn about and read about, but we won't do a study with it for school. But if you want to keep learning about Paul and his amazing journeys that he does, read through the book of Acts. The library, I believe, also has a DVD about Paul's missionary journeys that you should check out. Okay, from Antioch, you're going to go and you're going to travel all the way to Troas. From Troas, you're going to go over to Neapolis. Now, if you look, you're going to actually go through the water a little bit, go through the water to Neapolis and then to Philippi. That is where part of our story takes place today. Okay? All right. Enjoy your learning. I hope you enjoy it to the max.